Hi, do you know there are several ways to make a wish? Yes, there are, and today I want to share one way of it. So, what do we do? So, for this wish, I need you to take a small piece of paper, and in that, we need to write something very strong and very deep with you. Like, let's say, for example, you want to wish for your future home or your dream home or your dream car, or if you're looking for a job, let's say some uh, a job in a company that you have been wanting to apply, or you're applying for a long time for a certain position, and you haven't been able to achieve it. So for this wish, what we will do, we will write the wish in present tense. Like, let's say, thank you, universe. I have bought my bungalow, which has 5 bedrooms, a kitchen, a living room, a dining room, a study room, or whatever things that you want to add, like, be it as little as possible. Like, those tiny details are also important that you want to work upon, like what that you want to add in your new place or for the job that you're applying. So how you want to go on the first day, like what do you want to wear on the first day, what do you want to carry along with you, like let's say the bag that you're going to take along with you, or what lipstick or what shirt you're wearing on that day. So put every tiny detail into that letter in present tense, as if it is happening, or it is just happening tomorrow, or it is right, like you're packing things to move to your new place, or you're planning things to start your work from tomorrow, as if you have received your appointment letter. All those things, put every single detail into that tiny letter, and please put all the feelings that you have, like pour your love, pour your excitement in that letter. Now once the letter is done, at the end, add your name and say thank you, universe, and add the date. Don't forget to add the date. Okay, now fold the letter, put it into a small pot. Okay, pot as in a flower pot, a plant pot, or something like that. Put it inside the pot, then pour soil slowly, and keep visualizing that the dream is coming true, it is happening, and you're living it, and you're filling the soil continuously, and you're feeling happy about it, you're feeling excited about it. Now put some hole and put a plant, be it a flower plant, be it a indoor plant, whatever. Put it inside, cover the roots properly, and when your plant is ready, you will have to put some water. Okay, while putting some water, just say thank you to the plant, and because it do mention that because of you my dream is coming true, and you are my wishing plant. Thank you so much. Now after doing this, put it aside, like put it somewhere which is like extremely close to you, be it in your bedroom, or somewhere which is like your study, or where you like to sit often throughout the day. So put somewhere which is like almost visible to you. So I want you to see this plant on and off every time, in order to feel the positivity, and that positivity will bring that belief inside you. Okay, this is a task that will take some time. However, since it is a big dream, the moment you will see the tree is growing or the plant is growing stronger, you will start realizing that your wish is coming true. And this is really very effective. A lot of my clients have told me, Sonakshi, I did this and I am debt free now, or I have bought my favorite car, or a lot of things. My son has passed the entrance exam, something like that. A lot of people have told me this works. So do try, do give it a try, and let me know how it works, or do share me your feelings while you were doing this exercise, how you felt about it.